Between the stock market crashing nearly 30%, people spending more time at home and looking for more ways to make money, and hearing that it's a great buying opportunity to get into stocks, I thought today I'd go over the basics of how the Robinhood investing app works. So if you're looking to get investing into stocks or funds, or you just want to know how it works, I'm going to go over the basics of how to do that today. What's up everybody, Michael here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go over the basics of how the Robinhood investing app works. I'm going to go over the basics of how to buy, how to sell, the different types of orders, and how to look at the charts. So anyways, let's get right into it. I'm going to put the app on the screen right here, and let's get started. So, opening up Robinhood, the bottom of the screen you can see the magnifying glass. Love it, it's great. You click on that, and it brings you to this screen called Browse. So you can just search for the companies you want. So today we're going to just look at Home Depot. Home Depot. So you click on that. When you get to the main screen, you'll be able to see the stock price, the charts. So you can look at either the one-day chart, as you can see right here, it updates live as you go through it. You can also look at the 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. You can go all the way down to 5 years. And this is just a line chart, so you can see the performance over time. Then as you scroll down, you can see some of the stats, what the open was today, what the high was. You can also look at the 52-week high, 52-week low, all of these different numbers. So, and then you keep scrolling down, the dividend yield is right there. And with the dividend yield, that is how much they pay in dividends. As you scroll down, you see some analyst ratings, research reports, earnings, and just a bunch of information on the stock. So now let's get into the good part. Let's get into how to actually buy and sell the stocks. So the button on the bottom in bright orange is trade. You click on trade, and let's click on buy. It's pretty simple. You can see that you could either input how many shares you want to get, 25 shares. I'm not going to buy it right now. But then at the top right of the screen in green, you can see right now it's at a market order. And what that means is that it's going to place the order at whatever the current price of the stock is. So if you're looking to buy it at a particular price, this isn't the best option, because if the price, whatever the price is, it could be, $1 up, $1 down, 50 cents up, and if you're buying a lot of shares, this makes a difference. So this is just going to buy it at whatever the price is at this very moment. So if you want to set it to an actual price, you click on the top right there, and then you click on limit order. And you see the different options, but limit order, that's going to be the maximum price you'll pay for the company. So if you want to buy Home Depot shares and you don't want to pay more than $195, you put in $195 and it will not buy it unless it is $195 or less. So then there's nothing you have to worry about. You know the exact price you're going to be getting it for. And this is good because you'll know the exact price. But the downside is if you place this, you may never, get the stock, because if you place, let's say, for $194, and the price right now, as you can see right there, $194.74. If the price of the stock never goes below $194, your limit price, then you'll never, ever, ever be able to get the stock. You could have to cancel the order and place a new one, but this particular order would never go through. So if I said $194 and the price never went below $194, this order wouldn't be placed. So those are the two options I'll go over today. Those are the basics. So market order right here, and that is, you buy it at whatever the best available price is. Limit order is you buy the maximum. You set a maximum price that you're willing to spend on the stock. There's a couple other options, but if you're just looking for the basics, those are pretty simple, and that'll get you everything you need to be able to do to be able to be a competent investor and buy or sell the stocks. So okay. Once you see that, it shows you the market price, the cost. Let's go back. So let's go to trade. Let's go to trade, and I don't own any of this stock, so I wouldn't be able to sell it. But for selling a stock, let's look over here. I get some free stocks for people signing up, so let's look at, for example, this one. I have a couple shares of Sorrento Therapeutics, and I got those from people signing up on the app using like my friends using a referral code. So anyways, you could go back down, you click on trade. You see the option to sell. So you could sell it, let's say 2 shares. It tells you what the estimated amount you'll get for it, what the market price is. Again, you click on the top right, market order. You can see that there's a market order and a limit order. It says market order means you sell it at the best available price, the price that is available right now. And then limit order is when you sell it at a minimum price or higher. So that means if you say, I don't want to sell it, right now it says the price is $1.86. If I said $1.90, it would not sell the stock unless the price was $1.90 or more. So if the price of the stock never goes above $1.90, you'll never sell it. You'll just keep it. And that's fine, but you have to be careful when you're buying and selling stocks with a limit order and setting a limit price, because you have to make sure that the stock will either go, if you really need to sell the stock and you need money, you don't want to do this necessarily because it might never sell if the price never goes above your limit price. Same with buying. If you want to buy into the stock and you don't really care if it's a couple cents more, a couple cents less, you shouldn't place a limit order. So anyways, those are the basics. We went over just market order and limit order. If you'd like me to go over more ways to trade stocks, more ways to use the Robinhood app, we could do that. But so essentially what you do is you just go to browse, you search for the company you want, and then you can either do a limit order or a market order. You could do other types, but those are the basics, and that covers any basic investor. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like the video down below, leave a comment, and if you have any more questions about how to use Robinhood, or if you'd like me to do a full run through of the app, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.